In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a tire inflator, actually a 150 PSI tire inflator by the company, I think you pronounce that Convtoya, however you would say that. So yeah, let's just go over some of the specs here. You know, you can see how it's hooked up right there. It's a cordless design. It has a digital display, large capacity battery. It's got 4 smart modes on it. Accurate tire, it detects as soon as you screw it in, it'll detect a tire pressure. Auto shut on and shut off, LED light, multiple accessories, portable size, and it's a power bank for charging your cell phone or something like that. USB-C input, a 7,500 milliamp battery, and the pressure ranges from 3 psi to 150 psi. It's got an LED flashlight on it. Units are the psi. It's a bar and it's a kPa. 12. It's a 2 amp out if you want to charge your cell phone. Noise is 80 decibels within 1 meter, and that looks like, and you can see car mode, motorcycle mode, bike mode, ball mode, and manual modes. By the way, I had this out and I looked at it. It is extremely premium product, y'all. So taking it out, this is the unit itself. It comes very nicely packaged in that, and then you get a little set of instructions right here. The instructions kind of just go over on how it works, but you know what? That's what I'm for. I'm going to show y'all how this thing works. Inside of here, you're going to get a USB-C cable for charging, a really cool little bag. Wow, and it's actually a good size bag. If you want to really aggravate me, oh, they have a separate little pack just for the accessories. There's the actual like hose to plug it in. What is this? This looks like, oh, it's just like an instructions card, just kind of like going over the instructions there. And here you have a tire. That looks like a Presto valve. Yep, that's what that is. That's for a Schrader, a Presto valve. And that's the basketball needle. And then here's the actual unit itself. This thing looks awesome. It is so premium. Look at that. Very cool that that's on there like that. Okay, so now the unit's on itself. It looks like it's at 8 PSI. And what you're going to do, you're going to take this piece and screw it down in there like that. And by the way, they put hot on there because these things do heat up with just the air pressure going through them. There's that like that. This button right here is kPa, PSI, bar. So we're going to go PSI. And look how I can adjust the PSI. Right now it's on basketball. And then here's the modes, 52. So car, let's go back to PSI. So the car, they got 36, bicycle 35. That looks like bicycle's 45. Basketball is 8, and you can adjust it up and down right here. So 8 on the basketball. Whoa! And then to start it, all you do is hit that. So to turn the LED light, see the little U right there? Hold it down. Wow, that's awesome. That is a very light, very bright little light. So long press the U, and that's how that works. Let's test it as a power bank real quick. So I got a little GoPro battery here. Let's see if it charges as a power bank. Plugging that in. Well, there you go. This thing is also a power bank. How cool is that, everybody? And to charge the actual unit, you stick down inside there right there, and it gives you the battery percentage. You can see this one's fully charged because I took it out and charged it. So let me go ahead and let's air up a basketball, and let's go ahead and air up a bicycle tire and see how well this thing works. So let's go outside and do that now. All right, everybody, I have a basketball here. I have the needle. So let's go ahead. Let's screw that in there like that. So let's go to our modes. It's a little hard to see right here. So I'm on the basketball mode. Stick the needle in. And right away, it shows I'm at 4 PSI. So let's see how quickly. I'm at 6 PSI, 7 PSI. Well, that was fast. Basketball's fully. So that thing was only half inflated, by the way. I didn't even know that. I've been playing with a flat back. So now let me pull my bike out and try a bike. So with these fat tires, this is a fat tire e-bike. They can go up as high as 30 PSI. You always want to check your tires. I love how that screws on there, by the way. Interesting that I'm just at 10 PSI. I've been running these very low. So what I'm going to do, let's go 22 PSI in the tires on this. So let's try this. I'm at 11 right now. 13, 14. I tell you, I've used a lot of these things, and I have never seen one go as fast as this thing. It is a little loud. It's not the quietest thing. I'm already at 15. And then if you need a light while you're doing this, look how I can shine the light. So if we're at nighttime and I have to shine it, that'll work great. I'm gonna put 22 in the back and then 22 in the front. And you can see, this is the Bandit 4Runner bike, by the way. One of the best fat tire e-bikes, I think, on the market today. If y'all are interested in picking up a fat tire e-bike, I'll leave a link to that below. 21, 22. That's it, 22. Take this off. I'm at 14 in the front. I thought this thing was riding kind of weird. This is one of the best pumps I've ever seen, honestly. These are Kenda tires, by the way, very high quality tires. Well, there it is, everybody, 22 PSI in both the front and back. Well, that's it, everybody. I aired up a basketball, I aired up an e-bike here and showed you how well this thing worked. This is one of the best hand pumps, little mini portable pumps I have ever seen. Highly recommend this. I still have 3 bars. It wasn't completely charged, but you know what? It's ready now, and that is kind of warm. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the mini portable air pump. See you guys in the next video. Woo!